Myrtle, Myrtle, are you there? I want to show you my sexy new tattoo.
Draco, what are you doing in the girls' bathroom? And in your underpants too?
Get out. You don't belong in here. This is the girls' room.
Yes, and I am a girl. Also, your cousin. Niece panties.
I'll have you know these are man panties. And you are not my cousin. You are disowned. Now get out or I'll tell my father on you.
I'm to your cousin. And I have something very important to tell you.
Fine. What is it? Are you collecting money to save the Hufflepuffs? Because I don't give to charity.
No, I've come to tell you not to join the Death Eaters.
The Death Eaters. I have never heard of them. Is it some kind of supper club?
Yes, it is. It is a supper club of evil. Also, Draco, I know you are lying because I can see that dark mark on your arm. Since you're naked.
I am not naked. I am wearing man panties. Besides, you can't tell me what to do. I do what I want.
Draco, if you join the Death Eaters, you will go bald.
I will not.
Yes, you will. You will go bald. You will have no hair. Harry Potter will laugh at you all the time. It is a fact.
Will not.
Will too.
Will not, will not.
Will not.
Will too. Hey! You tricked me. Curse you, Hufflepuff.
Well, at least I have hair.